On August 1, 2018, Limbo Communications issued $30 million of 10% non-convertible bonds at 104. The bonds are due on July 31st, 2038. Each $1,000 bond was issued with 20 detachable stock warrants, each of which entitled the bondholder to purchase for $60 one share of Limbo Communications Note Par common stock. Interstate Containers purchased 20% of the bond issue. On August 1st, 2018, the market value of the common stock was $58 per share, and the market value of each warrant was $8. In February 2029, when Limbo common stock had a market price of $72 per share, and the amortized discount balance was $1 million, Interstate Containers exercised the warrant it held. Requirement number 1. Prepare the journal entries on August 1st, 2018 to record A. Issuance of bonds by Limbo, and B. The investment by Interstate. Let's start from Limbo. August 1, when they issued the bonds, the face value of the bonds is $30 million. By the way, the number to be entered should be based on millions and 2 decimal places. Alright, so bonds payable for Limbo is $30 million. Besides the bonds, they also have warrants. Number of warrants is every $1,000 bond has 20 detachable warrants. 30 million divided by $1,000. Every $1,000 has 20 warrants, and each warrant has a market value of $8. So, $4.80 million stock warrants. Cash is based on the price, so 104 means 104% of the face value is the price, and it's the cash received by issuance. So we have, $31.2 million. Total credits now is 34, debits is 31.2. We need to plug in the debits. When the plugin is on the debit side, there is a discount on bonds payable. Report the investment by Interstate under Requirement 1, August 1. So, Interstate purchased 20% of the bond issues. So, the investment in bonds is $30 million. 20% of it. So, Interstate had purchased $6 million of bonds. Besides the bonds, there are warrants as well. $13 million divided by 1,000 multiplied by 20 warrants, but only 20% of warrants were purchased. Each warrant is $8. So 0.96 is the investment in warrants. Since Interstate is the investor, they purchase these bonds. How much did they spend? So the price of the bonds multiplied by 20%. 20% of this cash issuance, 6.24. So total debits is 6.96. Total credits is 6.24. We need the book number credit, but the name of that parking depends on the issuer. The issuer calls it discount. So here we also call it discount. Requirement to access to journalize the exercise for both issuer Limbo and the investor Interstate. In February 2029, Interstate exercises a warrant. So this term says the warrants, each of warrants entitle bondholder to purchase $60 for $60 one share of the common stock. Therefore, Limbo receives cash because Interstate will pay to buy stocks. Cash received is $60 per warrant. How many warrants did Interstate purchase? $13 million of face value divided by every $1,000 can purchase 20. Are attached with 20 warrants, but Interstate only purchases 20%. So this is the amount of warrants Interstate has. Now multiply by $60 each. So $7.2 million. Then, since the warrants are exercised, we no longer need equity stock warrant account. So move a credit account to debit side to write it off. Previously, Limbo, Interstate, not Limbo. Interstate has stock warrants of 0.96 million. So here, okay, it's gone. Let's do it again. So we will write off equity stock warrants for $0.96 million. And then real stocks will be outstanding. So we will credit common stock for limbo. And this number will be the total debits here. And for Interstate, when they exercise the warrants, their investment in warrants becomes investment in common stock. So we will first remove investment in warrants. Of $0.96 million, and they spend money to buy stocks of limbo. And previously we have calculated that $30 million bond, each $1,000 can come with $20 warrants, but Interstate only purchased 20% of the issuance. So this 120,000 warrants is purchased $60, allows the investor to use $60 to purchase common stock. So Interstate spent $7.2 million. And lastly, these warrants becomes investment in stocks.